Welcome to Spalding Auto Parts. Thanks for holding us. Bob, can I help you?
I'm looking for a rear bumper, and it's for a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500.
Let me look. I have a used black one, but it does sort of have a not perfect, but pretty nice. So the factory bumper, you get $1,164 for it.
Oh wow, that's up there.
Yeah. So let me save you a quote. What is your name, sir?
Hey, I've been talking to you guys on that tailgate for a 2015 GMC Sierra, the black one. I'm just making sure you guys still have it before I head out from Spokane.
Yes, sir. It is here.
Okay, and that one's a new takeoff as well, right? Perfect condition.
Correct.
No issues at all on it. No paint damage.
No.
Sounds good. I'll be there. Not exactly sure what time, but before you guys close.
Hi, honey.
A little bit of a difference. Good morning, boys. Welcome back to the channel. So yesterday we started the chrome delete on the Duramax, and today I want to get it finished up, and that's a beautiful car, but we do have some bigger things to worry about today. I made a few phone calls this morning and I found a tailgate and a rear bumper, both in black, both supposed to be in really good condition, but based on how this box situation went, I don't have the highest hopes. But we just pulled the Elko tin shop right now. We're gonna pick up some black wrap to finish up the chrome delete if we have time today, and I believe he ordered up the wrap for the Evo 8 as well. That wrap show up, Bill?
The wrap? Yeah, we got the wrap.
Ooh, that came quick.
Yep.
Thanks, bro.
Of course.
He's the plug. This man's the plug. We just got back to the shop. I do want to attempt to wrap a few little things. Jared hasn't showed up yet with the wrapping utensils that we need, squeegees and knives and gloves and all that crap. But I think I should be able to wrap the mirrors at least with none of that. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I don't know how long I'm gonna wrap for, but I know today 100% regardless, we do need to go pick up the tailgate and the rear bumper so this truck is complete. We got a few supplies out. We have some wrap. This is 3M 2080 gloss black IPA, lint-free towel. We did find some wrap gloves and a heat gun. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens.
Again,
You're late.
I am late. I was gonna be early, but this is what happens. Either I'm early or an hour late or 2 hours late.
I heard you like road trips.
No, dude.
I'm joking. You don't have to go.
I'm like, are you?
So here's the before, and here is what it looks like after. If we can get some sort of tint on that orange or just replace that light altogether, I think it would make it look a lot cleaner. We need to go run some errands before any of the wrecking yards close today, so we're gonna head to a local place here in Spokane, pick up a bumper, and then we're gonna head out to Moses Lake and pick up a tailgate. Let's hit the road and see what we got. It's a black rear bumper. It's not this one. That ain't that one. It's red truck, a 2500. I don't know why it shows Suburban. We'll go back. Alright. Well, should be closed. So here's the scoop, boys. Long story short, the place in Spokane where we were supposed to get the bumper from did not work out. We went to the yard 3 times. First time they gave me a Suburban bumper. Second time they lost the truck. Third time we went out, it ended up being a gray truck. Completely destroyed bumper. So anyways, didn't work out. We are here to pick up the tailgate now. So third time's the charm. Box didn't really work out. Freaking tailgate better work, right?
Hopefully, dude, hopefully.
All right. It's supposed to be brand new. Take off. So,
Watch it just be destroyed.
dude, I'll be so pissed. Let's go see what we got. Are they closed? I'll just have to call them for public assistance, you know. Coronavirus. Oh, driving down the road.
You know, I don't know.
Well, shit. If they do, let's swap them out.
We should do that.
Hold up.
Hold on.
Why do you want a chrome one? Dude, I didn't even know they made a black one. I don't know how they unbolt. Might as well swap some parts out real quick, you know?
It's so random.
That'd be the Liddy, dude. What year's your truck?
16.
That would've been a cool deal.
I think Walmart actually sells us just a little black picture.
What's the price tag on that guy?
Does it just hook on?
Yeah.
Oh.
I might need help with that though. Hell yeah, dude. Well, we got one good part.
Yeah.
It's actually a really nice tailgate too. Dude, it
That's-
looks way better now.
It does.
All right, so we made it back to the shop in one piece. Tailgate didn't fall off. This thing's actually in really, really good condition. A little bit of writing right there we got to pop off and a tiny, tiny scratch. Other than that, she is pretty much brand new. Now that we got that all squared away, the only thing we need left for this truck is a bumper. I went online. There's actually a company that pre-paints bumpers and ships them, $500 delivered right to your door. I was about to pay $1,200 at Spalding's this morning for the bumper that had damage. So I think $500 for aftermarket one. Yeah, it's aftermarket. It's probably not going to fit identically to a stock one, but for $500, can't really go wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that up. Should be here within the next few weeks. So what I want to do right now is work on some more chrome deleting stuff. So let's start with wrapping a few of these guys here. So we just finished up with both of those window trim pieces. As of right now, this whole side is nearly blacked out. I did just pull off that door handle. I'm gonna give it a shot. If I think it's gonna be too difficult, we can either just replace them, I found some online, or just paint it. Here's a after, everything all blacked out, and this entire side is still chrome. So before, all chrome, and after. So this here is what we ended up with. Actually turned out really good, a little bit easier than I thought. Let's go ahead and pop this door handle off and I'll show you guys how I did it. So to get the handle off, all we have to do is open the door. There's a little plug right here. We're gonna pop this plug out. And then if you look in there, there is a Torx head. So we're gonna pull out that bolt, which is gonna loosen this. As soon as this is off, this will slide back and out. Wrapping these pieces is fairly easy. I don't do this chrome part right here. If you guys are gonna do this on your truck, you can if you want, but I'll show you the front. This is how it turned out. You can't see any chrome, but when you open the door, if you really look closely, you can see the chrome inside. Not a big deal, I decided not to do it. So skipping that, and then the back side of the handle is already black, so we're wrapping right up to this black line right here. So we just got both handles finished up. Putting the handle back on is a lot harder than taking it off. Taking it off, you just rip it off. Going back in though, you do have to pull the door panel off, I found, and go from the back side. There's just a little prong right in there that the door handle sits in to actually open up the door. So if you go from the back side, grab a long screwdriver and you can push on that little prong to slide the handle back in to where it belongs. So we got this whole side wrapped up. Looks so much cleaner now. Handles are done, window trims are done, mirror is finished up. I was gonna do this lower section down here, but honestly, I am not sure if I'm gonna do it now. I might do it in the future, but I think for now, we're just deleting too much chrome, if that's even a thing. I don't know. Drop a comment down below, I guess. Would it look kind of funny if that was black and all that was chrome? I think I'm gonna save that for after we get the truck lifted with some nice wheels and tires on it, get some tint refinished on it so it actually looks nice and clean. Just get the truck complete, and then we can worry about the finer little details like more chrome delete. But let's pull it outside. Let's see how she looks.
No, Brody.
What are you guys doing?
I just woke up from my nap.
Working on your website?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Thanks.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Okay, boys and females of the channel. We have no more parts to put on the truck. I ordered the bumper. They said it's gonna take 5 days to paint and let the paint cure before it ships out. So we're probably gonna get the bumper. It's the 9th. Hopefully we get it by the end of the month. Wheels and tires have not shipped out yet. Lift kit has not shipped out yet. And we have a stack like this tall of parts for the blue Evo 8. So I'm kind of thinking tomorrow. What do you think, Bobby?
I just have something really to say. I just hate how the 8th, not really, hasn't been a part of the family that long, but Gary has been.
Well, someday.
Okay.
Someday we'll work on Gare. But
Okay.
for now we work on...
Royal?
For now we work on Royale. I should make some Royale stickers for that. I'm really thinking that's the plan. Not exactly sure what we're gonna start with. We are wrapping the car. That was the overall consensus of the family. We got some new wheels and tires. We got some dope coilovers coming in for it. And obviously, like, we gotta make it like run good, you know? Don't run very good. So we gotta fix all that up, make it look sick, and I'm super stoked to show you guys the color. I think that's what we're gonna start on tomorrow. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this little rebuild series of the truck. Tons more to come. It's pretty much done being rebuilt. We have to respray the bed, get a new bumper on it, and then it's gonna go like this, up in the sky. It's gonna be lit and fast and blow black smoke all over Bobby's car. All right. Goodbye. I'm out.